Good morning, students. In this section, we are going to study about the differences between the receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account. So, in this section, we find out the differences between the receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account. The non-trading concerns or non-profit organization like charitable institutions, schools, hospitals, clubs, trust, etc. prepare receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Receipt and payment account. So this is the model of the receipt and payment account. The receipt and payment account is a summary of cash transaction. It is similar to cash book. In receipt and payment account, all the cash receipt and all the cash payments are recorded. Generally, the receipt and payment account start with opening cash balance and end with closing cash and bank balance. The receipt and payment account start with opening cash balance and bank balance and end with closing cash balance and bank balance. All the cash receipt, it may be a capital receipt or it may be a revenue receipt, are recorded in the receipt side, that is the debit side. Like the capital receipt like legacy, revenue receipt like sale of old newspapers are recorded in receipt and payment account, as well as asset purchase and revenue payment like furniture investments are asset purchases and salaries are revenue payments are recorded in the receipt and payment account. The receipt and payment account record current year receipt, previous year receipt and next year receipts are recorded. For example, here we recorded 96 subscription, 97 subscription and 98 subscriptions. So the receipt, the cash receipt related to any years, current year or succeeding year or preceding years are recorded in the receipt and payment account. It is a real account in nature. The next account is income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account record all the incomes and expenditures of the club or trust. It is similar to the profit and loss account. The expenses are recorded in the debit side and all the incomes are recorded in the credit side. Unlike receipt and payment account, the income and expenditure records only the revenue expenditure and revenue income. The revenue expenditures are recorded in the debit side and revenue incomes are recorded in the credit sides. It is prepared on the basis of accrual basis or mercantile basis. That is, outstanding expenses and depreciations are recorded in the income and expenditure account. It records only revenue income and revenue expenditures. Non-cash items also recorded in the income and expenditure account. Moreover, the current year income and current year revenue expenditures are recorded. The previous year or the subsequent year's incomes and expenditures are not recorded. It is similar to, it is like a nominal account. Now we come to the differences between the receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account. The type of account. The receipt and payment account is a real account and income and expenditures are nominal account. The receipt and payment account is similar to cash book. It is prepared instead of cash book. The income and expenditure is similar like profit and loss account. It is prepared instead of profit and loss account. In receipt and payment account, receipts are shown on the debit side and all the payments are recorded in the credit sides. But in the income and expenditures account, all incomes are recorded in the credit sides and expenditures are recorded on the debit side. Generally, the receipt and payment account start with opening cash and opening bank balance. But there is no opening balance in income and expenditures. The receipt and payment account prepared to find out closing cash balance or bank balance, or it end with closing cash and bank balance. But the receipt and payment account, but in the income and expenditure, there is no opening balance and as well as no closing balance. The main purpose of preparing income and expenditure is to find out the surplus or deficit. The receipt and payment account records all cash receipt and all cash payment. It may be a revenue item or it may be a capital item. But The income and expenditures record only the revenue items. The revenue receipt and revenue payments are recorded. Likewise, in receipt and payment account, the current year receipt, previous year receipt, and preceding year receipts are recorded. But in income and expenditure, only current year income and expenditures are recorded. Generally, receipt and payment accounts are prepared on the basis of cash basis account. That is, only cash transactions are recorded. The non-cash transaction like accrued income, outstanding expenses, depreciations are not recorded in income and receipt and payment account. But income and expenditures is follows mercantile systems. The non-cash transaction like outstanding, loss on sale of asset, depreciations are recorded. So these are the main difference between the receipt and payment account and income and expenditure accounts. Thank you, students.